The Kira Home Harlow has over 249 customer reviews and a 4.5-star rating. Customers frequently mention that the Harlow is a beautiful fixture, has a great price, and is of great quality. The Kira Home Harlow is perfect to install over kitchen islands, above a dining room table, or above a pool table in the game room. This sleek light comes in two different finishes, a refined oil rubbed bronze like you see here, and a gorgeous brushed nickel finish. The design of the Harlow is farmhouse inspired, featuring a linear body design with industrial accent pieces and beautiful bell-shaped glass to provide an ample light output when lit. Included in your package is one 6-inch down rod and three 12-inch down rods, so you can set the Harlow to your desired hanging height. The beautiful glass shades of the Harlow allow for some customization with your choice of bulb. This is compatible with vintage Edison bulbs, vintage round bulbs, or even LED bulbs to make the Harlow even brighter. Feel free to set the mood or adjust the level of shine, as the Harlow is dimmable when used with a proper bulb and dimmer combination. As always, the Harlow Island Light is ETL listed for your safety. You may notice similar competing items on the Amazon market space that say UL listed sockets, or not have UL or ETL listings at all. Those companies are trying to cut corners and save a buck. However, at Kira Home, all of our factories and items produced in those factories have been subjected to certification by those safety labs. Our feedback is never influenced or bought. All of our reviews are genuine and truthful from real customers. And remember, we are a US-based company with real local support. So if you ever encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us online, on the phone, or by the email listed on all of our product manuals and packaging.